Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing a calm workspace with soft lighting and minimal noise. Set the room temperature to about 22 degrees C so the baby stays comfortable. Change the baby's diaper and feed or soothe them until they are settled. Use a clean, soft cloth to dry the finger pad and remove any lotion or milk residue. Choose either a non-toxic ink pad sized about 2x 3 inches or a digital scanner rated at 500 dpi. Position the baby on a caregiver's lap. Begin by supporting the baby's finger at the base with one hand. Roll the finger slowly from the nail edge to the opposite nail edge in one smooth motion. If using ink, apply even pressure and press for about 2 seconds before rolling. If using a digital scanner, hold the finger steady on the sensor for about 3 seconds until the image captures. Repeat the process 3 to 4 times for each finger to ensure you obtain clear, usable impressions. Check each print immediately for smears or gaps. After capturing clear prints, label each card with the baby's full name and date of birth. Also include the capture date and the caregiver's initials on every card. Allow inked cards to dry fully before handling to avoid smudges. Place original cards flat into archival sleeves and store at about 20 to 25 degrees C away from direct sunlight. Scan each print at 600 dpi to create a digital backup. Save the digital files in an encrypted folder and keep at least one secure physical copy for official needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.